Okay, I'm going to make a bow. So I've secured my ribbon through the first notch. There are two there are. So we go through to the centre. I've got to get this right. I'm not very good at this videoing. Through the centre and out of the last loop. Back through the centre into the last loop. So back through the centre. Now that would make a single bow, but we're going to do 3. And then back to the last loop, through the centre, and back through the last loop, back through the centre, and back to the last loop, through the centre one more time, that's it. That's nice and secure. You put it through the central notch, there, so you can see, back there. We've got up through the centre, and then you can pull this one out, and then you tie them really nice and tight. And at that stage you can cut your ends off the way you like, then just pull the bow off nicely, pull them out. Plenty of time on this, but I'll just do it quickly. And there you have perfect triple bow.